Welcome into the studio for a little flip through. You haven't seen the work I did in this journal here on YouTube. It's something I do that I don't film, just for me. And I do post the layouts, what I'm done, on Instagram. But I thought I would share a little flip through with you. This is what's called an itty bitty bricolage journal, and it is created by Ricky Ticky Tavi on Instagram, or Bricolage Factory on Etsy. She is on YouTube as well, and I will post an iCard to one of her videos. But this is an itty bitty, and it is 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So it's just really itty bitty. And I have to say, I was very intimidated to work in it because it is so small. But let me tell you, this is proof that you can do mixed media no matter what size it is. So I had so much fun working in this, and I'm excited to share it with you. I didn't do anything with these pages. This is how the journal came. I really loved the way it looks. And I didn't do anything with this page because I felt like it really went well, and I love this map. And this is what's called a scrappy tag, and she sells these with quotes and stuff on them. Ricky does, and she put these single word scrappy tags in her journals. And this has texture paste on it, and it handled it beautifully. This is a center spread, and I didn't have the heart to do anything with this Richard Scarry page. It's just so wonderful. It brings back so many awesome childhood memories. This has gel bead paste on it that I made. There'll be a link in this iCard up in this corner for you to click on for a technique on how to make your own. Crackle paste. This has my designer washi that I have in my shop. Again, I didn't do anything with this page. I just love this map. But it did come with a scrappy tag in a pocket for it. This came in the little ephemera pack that came with the journal, and then I just went around it with some Elegant Writer, which bleeds beautiful with all these colors. It did come through to the other side a little bit, but I really loved how it turned out. And that is my itty bitty bricolage journal. I hope you've enjoyed this flip through.